Okay, so at this point, yeah, so we are calling some of Miss Eileen's friends who would give like a special birthday message. Okay? So I hope you're all here. Okay. Okay, I think they're all here. Yes, thank God. Okay, let us call our first well-wisher is Miss Gladys Mabona. Miss Gladys, do you have a gift for her? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Hello! Hi! Yung kaya po kami nagpula para kitang-kita nyo kami. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So we, at this segment, so we are presenting symbolic gifts. Okay? So this will be presented by mostly of her closest friends. So when I call your name, you're gonna come forward with your gift, special gift, and you will say your birthday message or birthday wish for her. And you will explain, so Miss Eileen here will open the gift, and you will explain to everyone why you chose that gift for her. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay, so let's call on first, Miss Gladys, please come forward. Can I have your flowers because you will open them? Yes. So back it up. It's okay, you can hold it. There you go. Hello, Miss Gladys. Is your microphone? Okay, so you can hand in the gift to Miss Eileen. And Miss Eileen, please, you can open the gift now. Okay, mga Marites.
Andito ako!
Bakit parang nakatubo yan? Ay, no, sorry. Hindi pala bilog. Yes. Okay, I think it's like a candle. Okay, Miss Gladys. Yes. Okay, so let's hear it from Miss Gladys why she chose that gift.
First of all, birthday at Aileen. I decided to give her the candle because since we started in my career, so she was my mentor.
Oh, sorry po, naku, from the top po, Miss
That
Gladys.
too. Okay. From the top.
Yes. Alam niyo naman yung mga Marites. Kailangan marinig mula sa umpisa.
May
Okay.
kikalosa ako.
Sobra. Sana ko na. Anyway, so happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. It's a milestone. And yeah, so I decided to give you a candle. It's because since we met here in Canada. So since then, she was like kind of like mentor. My mom kind of, although she's shorter than me, but she took care of me. So yeah, she's my light. I don't have any family here, so she was my light up to now. So yeah, happy birthday, Kaka.
That's so sweet. You see, that's really, yeah, that's very symbolic. You know, candle is like she's a light to her life.